work, dirty as hell. Still cute. Lexus, dirty as hell. Man, everything dirty, man. Everything dirty. Garage dirty as hell. Getting there, but dirty as hell. But today, got a new product here. Some mud flaps, man. Got some mud flaps. 2021 F-150, right? Mud flaps, man. And let's just see all we got here, man. Oh snap! You get instructions. You actually get support brackets, right side, left side, labeled. All the hardware. It's actually a lot of hardware. Yeah, you get 2 rights, 2 lefts, and front and back are actually different. Thank God. It's not just plastic. Good, good, good. So far, so good. Okay, real quick. Looks like these are extremely similar to the OEM Ford mud flaps you can buy, use your points for. But when I tell you how much these cost, you guys are gonna lose it. These are fairly cheap, inexpensive. Got a seller on Amazon willing to work with us again on the F-150 form. Coming down on price because we buy so much. That's what I'm talking about. So we're gonna see how these go on, and I'll be back soon. All right, so I got them installed. Again, I love the fact that they're emblemless. They ain't got nothing on them, no stamps, no names. Clearly they're aftermarket. They're not OEM. Otherwise I'd say Ford on them. They work with the setup. They're just on right now. They ain't fully on. My main concern is these right here, because as you know, I have an oversized tire, and with my oversized tire, yeah, my neighbors be looking at me. They cool, but I'm already rubbing the rear crash bar, which can't say it, but I'm almost positive I'm gonna rub that bottom. But again, like I said, it ain't on. So yeah, sadly as I thought, it ain't gonna work out. So the front's definitely coming off, but the rears are where it's at, man. The rears are where it's at. I might keep the rears, run the rears until, you know, I got other plans, but run the rears. They look good, you know what I'm saying? So, man, really quick install. Pull these off. You can actually keep the little mud flap that's existing. I was trying to get these as far back as I could, get as much clearance as I could, so I took them off. Then you got these little fold around tabs on these clips. Clip, clip, boom, boom. Bro, you're done. Like I said, you can leave that existing tab there. There's enough space cut out for it. It fits flush still. And it looked damn good, actually. I think I'm gonna put it back if I keep the fronts. I don't even think I can run the fronts up. The rears look badass. I mean, where do you want mud flaps for? Whether you're trying to keep the dirt off or you're just trying to keep it looking good, definitely gonna help out with that. Bruh, definitely gonna help out with that. But yeah, man, they look good. They look good, and I mean, for the price, can't be beat. I ain't found nothing that's even near the quality. Comes with the support brackets. Comes with extra screws, all factory extra screws, so you can literally flex all your factory bolts. Or if you lose one, you ain't worried. If you lose 6, you ain't worried. You got them all still. So they hook you up with all that. You get washers and everything. So definitely a good sale, good product. I'm thinking I'm gonna keep the rears. Fronts look fire, but I don't know if they're gonna rub or not. I'm definitely gonna try that out. Get back to y'all soon. But yeah, they're a win-win.